Hello everyone. I convey my wishes to everyone, my dear students. I am very delighted to meet you all once again through this video after a long time. Okay, so in this video, we are going to see a humorous supplementary reader from third unit. The topic is The First Patient, which was written by C.V. Burgess. Welcome back to English class, my dear students. The topic, The First Patient, C.V. Burgess. Humor. What is humor? The quality of being amusing or comic. Humor makes us work with enthusiasm and enjoyment. It has the power to change the human mind and human behavior. It helps us be cool even in a serious situation. In our life, we have met a lot of humor incidents, but we never forget which one is touched our heart deeply. Likewise, this humor place will touch your heart. Okay. And then, are you feeling happy to listen this story? Did you go to any dental hospital? Have you ever seen any equipments there? In our textbook, this story is given in the form of a play. Already we know the play means a conversation should be going on among the persons about a particular concept. Okay. The main characters of this play: dentist, a small boy. The boy's name is Maurice. Totally, 8 women are there, as well as 8 men are there. A little girl, the girl name is Dorothea, and then a nurse. Okay, so they are the main characters of this play. And then author introduction. Already we know the author of this story, Christopher Victor Burgess. It is called as a short name C.V. Burgess. His famous works are short plays for large classes, teach yourself speech training, classroom playhouse version in action. So, his specialty, all his stories are a situational comedy. Definitely, it makes some humor at the end of this play. Okay. Okay, my dear children, we shall start to watch the play. When the curtain rises, the following characters are seated in a dentist waiting room. Already we know the main characters of this play: 8 women and 8 men. Okay, some of them were reading newspapers and magazines. Man 4 had a rough bandage around his jaw and he was holding the bandage and groaning due to heavy pain. Woman 5 was very busy to show her photographs to others, those who are not interested to see the photographs. However, she forced others to watch the photographs. And then man 5 asked what was the time. For that question, man 6 replied that the time was almost 8:30. At the time, the nurse entered the clinic. However, the woman 5 was very busy to show her photographs others. She was showing the boarding houses, the steps, the photo of her landlady, etc., etc., etc. Okay. At the time, woman 7 entered the clinic with her daughter, the daughter's name Dorothea. She was very afraid to show her teeth to the dentist. Okay, but her mother tried to convince her, and then she told her that her daddy said that if she would not have her teeth, no more ice lollies hereafter. But the little girl Dorothea told her that she didn't want any ice lollies. But the little girl is dragged to her seat by woman servant. She sat weeping. Know itself man for groaned loudly due to heavy pain. And then the dentist entered the clinic and directly he went into the surgery. He asked to come the first patient inside. The first patient name was Joe. When the first patient, Mr. Joe, was ready to enter the surgery, his wife remembered him that make sure the doctor pulls out the right teeth. Okay, so man one, that is Joe, replied her that he took care himself. ஸோ அவங்களுடைய ஒய்ஃப் என்ன சொல்கிறான்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா அந்த டாக்டர் கரெக்டான பல்ல தான் பிடுங்குறாருன்னு நீங்கள் ஷூராக இருந்துக்கோங்க அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு அவங்க அட்வைஸ் பண்ணுறாருங்க. ஸோ ஜோ என்ன ரிப்ளை பண்ணுறான்னா ஓகே நான் கேர் எடுத்துக்கிறேன், யூ நோ ஒரி அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு ஜோ என்டர் த சர்ஜரி ரூம்.